Hello viewers, welcome to Audio Viz 360. Today I have this Sony WF-1000XM3. So I am going to replace the battery of these two earbuds. So I am going to replace the battery of this side, one side, and the other one I will do it offline. So I am going to use these batteries. This is lithium ion polymer batteries. These are almost equivalent batteries which has inside. This has same capacity which has original which is almost equal to the original battery which is inside. So I'm going to use these batteries and install in these earbuds. So before that I want to tear this charging case down so people may know how to tear this down. Let me do that. So just there will be 4 locks here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So just simply by prying from here it will come out. It's easy, you can see slowly it is coming out. It's a simple technique. This will not damage the case here. Simply we can that's it. This we have teared it out, teared this down. So there is a battery here, you can see. So I'm coming close up here. So this is 14500 battery. I have seen the first time here charging case has 14500 inside. So this is the battery. We have to take this apart to see the specification because everything is written in Chinese this side. So alright, so this is the other side. Here it is a type C cable and these two wires are battery wires, black and red, negative and positive respectively. So alright, now it's time to keep the charging case separately here. Actually I have replaced this battery 2 years back. This is one of my friend's earbud, so I'm going to replace the battery. So after 2 years this battery has been bad now. So the battery which I'm going to use is much better than the existing battery which I have installed previously. Because the capacity is also more compared to the battery which is inside. So I'm going to take one of these earbuds and I'm going to tear this down. Just this is clipped here, so we have to take apart carefully. So I'm going to do that. So slowly, just by prying here, you can see it will come out. This is the right side bud. That's it, you can see the lock has been opened. So this is the basic steps. Then there are 2 screws here which we have to remove carefully, and there is a flex cable here. If you put extra pressure, the flex cable might break and the earbuds will be off, no use. So I'm keeping this carefully. So now I'm going to take off these 2 screws here. So I have taken off the screws. Now slowly I'm going to lift this. This way only we have to lift because so this way only we have to lift because here it is flex cable. So if you lift from this side you may end up breaking the flex cable here. So just by lifting you can see I have already installed the old battery here. So I'm going to take out this battery and install this fresh battery here. So this is of even higher capacity compared to this. My friend said it is lasted for about 2 years. So I hope this will be very good battery though. So alright, let me take out this battery and install this battery. So now you can see I have installed the battery. Just I have to position the battery. So black is the negative, red is the positive. So just I have to place the battery properly into the housing and I have to close it, that's it. So let me place the battery inside and I will come back here. So I have placed the battery. Now just I am going to install the screws here. Installing battery is very challenging. It seems very easy in this video, but it's a bit complicated because there are so many minute tiny flex cables are there, and there are so many small components while soldering. If you remove that then the earbuds will be of no use. So if you want me to replace the battery of this type of earbuds, so please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am from Bangalore. You can send it directly to my place. I will share the address. You can send it to my address. I can fix it and I will send it back to you using the same speed post courier from India Post, because India Post has all the access to the entire country. So from any part of India you can send it to Bangalore, and from Bangalore it can be shipped back to any part of India. So don't skip the video, just watch it. So I have replaced the battery of the one side. So I'm just going to test this before closing the cover here. Now simply I'm going to put this in the case. You can see it started charging. So if I take out, blue light should come. You can see blue light has started blinking. So alright, now let me put the cover back to its place. So proper capacity battery has been installed this time compared to previous time. That's it. So completely closed. Putting back in the case. Just need to check the blue light is blinking here. So again, red light is glowing here. If I take out, blue light is blinking. So alright, now similarly I am going to replace the other side bud and I will show you the proper working demo here. So now I have replaced the battery of this left side bud here as well. You can see light is glowing here, blinking, blue light. So alright, without wasting any time, screws has been installed, both screws. So just simply by putting this cover back to its place. That's it. Now let's check the charging functionality here as well. So you can see the red light is glowing here, and this side also red light is glowing. So if I take out, blue light will blink here. So you can see it started working. So this is the working functionality and tear down of the charging case of this SONY WF-1000XM3. So if you want me to replace the battery of these earbuds, or if you want me to replace the battery of this charging case here as well, this has 14500 battery. So please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I will replace behalf of you. I am located here in Bangalore. So you can send it to me through courier, or if you are in Bangalore, you can come here physically and I can replace the batteries for you. So this is the working functionality. Let me show you the pairing of these earbuds as well. So before that, I want to close this charging case. Simply we have to take this, and that's it. It has been locked. So both earbuds are working. So now I am going to take these earbuds out, and I have to continuously press this for 7 seconds for pairing mode. So let me search here in my Bluetooth. So now you can see WF-1000XM3 has been connected. So both earbuds are perfectly working. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.